let us dig a bit deeper in the powerful Drupal caching API. After the chapters about caching, you will be able to implement complex caching mechanisms on entities, views, controllers, and blocks. Caching is an important aspect that was improved drastically when the Drupal community built Drupal 8 from scratch. Drupal 8 in fact was a complete rewrite of Drupal 7. More specifically, great control over which portions of your page you would like to have cached and how were added to Drupal 8. I've added a table to my book Learning Drupal as a Framework, and I'm gonna show you it as well. So we have some cache API types. The first one are cache tags.